Major laser
For the ladies, Ed Sheeran and Cranium. You know your body look good. So good, so good, yeah.
A club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Well, come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me.
Hey boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We'll push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
I'm in love with your body.
Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you, the shape of you.
So good, yeah. Girl, your body good, me swear to God, you know me now. Like thinking about the shape in every way, girl, you know normal. You, me, a pray and wind up in the corner. Put in on a show, have a place for you performance. Walk up, back a she, juking like a maca tree. She push it back at me, apply the pressure properly. And she say me at the base. Plus she want to have sex, so yes.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like